20th Safar al-Muzaffar, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Data Ganj Baksh, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Muballigh Islam, Sayyid Ali bin Uthman Hajweri, well known by the title of Hazrat Data Ganj Baksh, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, was born in the year 400 Hijri in the region of Ghazni, Hajwer, Afghanistan. He illuminated the entire region of Hind with the pure guidance of Islam. He introduced the pure message of Tawheed and Risala, that is, the oneness of Allah and prophethood, to the people who were ignorant and unaware of true beliefs. People began embracing Islam in very large numbers through his preaching and efforts. His writing, Kashf al-Mahjub, enjoys an essential position in the science of Tasawwuf, that is, mysticism and spirituality. Each and every word of this book is a treasure of secrets and codes of Tasawwuf. While reading it, it seems that a perfect murshid, that is a spiritual guide, is purifying the mindset of his disciple by entering the secret pearls of Sharia and codes of mysticism into his thoughts. Hazrat Nizamuddin Awliya, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, said, if someone has no peer, that is a spiritual guide, then he should study this book. He will definitely find his spiritual guide. Sayyid Ali bin Uthman Hajweri, famously known as Hazrat Data Ganj Baksh, Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, passed away on the 20th of Safar al-Muzaffar in 465 or 481 Hijri. His holy shrine is a center of refulgence and is situated in Markaz al-Awliya, Lahore, Punjab, Pakistan, where people, whether rich or poor, beggars or kings, and even pious saintly personalities like the Awliya Kiram also pay their respects. Mu'inul Islam, Khaja Mu'inuddin Chishti Ajmeri, Khaja Gharib Nawaz Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi, expressed his feelings with such remarks on having his request fulfilled at this place of benevolence.
Ganj Bakshe Faiz Alam Mazhare Noore Khuda Naqisara Peer Kamilara Rahnuma.
May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.